Lindsay's thing, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this penguin, not the background, just the penguin. Hi guys, disclaimer. This is just a disclaimer, and let's don't worry about me. But I'm editing this video. This is me editing the video. And I realized that how I positioned the camera, the angle was like I put the camera, I don't think this will make sense, but I put the camera to the right, so my hand, since I'm right-handed, it was in front of it. So basically, it's hard to see the steps, especially when I'm drawing it with a pencil. But I'm still gonna go ahead and post the video because I edited it and I had to make my family be quiet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and post this. I just wanted to let you guys know that before a video starts, if the comments are like, oh my gosh, your hand was thing, and read the description, because I have to say that I'm gonna put all the products I used except like a pencil and paper, but I mean all of these products. So let's get into how to draw this penguin. Bye. The first step to draw our cute penguin is to draw two little curves. So you're gonna draw one here and another one here. They're gonna be connecting because this is gonna be the shape of the penguin's head. Then from the two curves, you're gonna draw another curve or arch shape coming down for the penguin's body. So it's kind of gonna be like this. It's like an oval shape, and mine's wonky, but it's okay. It's not gonna be perfect. After you do that, you're gonna be drawing your eyes. So one eye here, they're best to look oval shaped. I'm gonna draw the cute eyes, and if you wanna know where I learned the cute eyes from, it's gonna be in the description box below. So yeah, okay, so that's how I draw my cute eyes. I learned it from an art tutorial video. Then after this, you're gonna draw two little eyebrows. The eyebrows are just gonna be short, sweet, and they're gonna look better when they're short and sweet. Then let's draw a little nose. They're gonna be in between the eyes, one curve, then two lines, and that's basically the face. That's basically the white part. This all will be white, and then this is the only thing that will be orange, and then the feet, which we'll draw later. Now we're basically just gonna follow this arch line, but it's just gonna be going up. So it's typically just gonna be like this. It's just gonna be one big oval arch that's coming around the penguin's head. Then you can draw two flippers, so it's just gonna be one and two. And then you can finish it off with a circle, which is gonna be another arch. So if you're following along, I'm gonna kinda let you catch up because I think I went too fast, and I'm gonna try to fix a few things that I literally hate but are small and I can fix. Probably just this. Then, now let's draw some webbed feet. To draw the webbed feet, you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3. It's gonna kinda look like a duck's foot. And then you're gonna go another 1, 2, and 3. And that's basically the penguin. So now I'm gonna talk to you about outlining and coloring, because I talk to you guys about that in every video. So I'm gonna talk to you about what I'm gonna be using to outline and color, because this part's gonna be black, and I'm gonna color the eyes black too, but then this is gonna be white, orange, and I'm also gonna talk to you about the Sharpie pens and all that stuff. And if you want any of this, it'll be linked in the description box below. I go to Micheal's for my craft store, so the links are all gonna be in Micheal's. Like if you saw my last video, the links were from Micheal's. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay guys, I went and collected my supplies, and I have 4 things I'm going to use. The first thing is my usual. I'm going to be using the Sharpie Ultra Fine Point. I always use this in my videos, and I'm going to be using it today. That's going to be to outline. Then I'm going to be using this. It's a liquid mark note writer. I don't know what it is. Hopefully I'll be able to find it online and link in the description box. Otherwise, I don't know. But then we have a Sharpie accent highlighter. It's like the Chizo tip. and we have orange twistable color pencils. Now, of course, I'm not gonna link only the orange. I'm gonna list you or link the whole thing. Okay. Drawing the icebergs and everything, but I'm just gonna be using 2 more twistable colored pencils, a gray and a blue, because, you know, iceberg, water, ice, you know, just, yeah. So I'll see you guys, I guess, after I'm done. And I think I'm gonna also draw a sun, so I'm also gonna be using a yellow twistable, but basically I'm just gonna be using twistables to color this whole thing. That's why there's gonna be a whole twistable pack linked. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, this is the final result. I think it came out really cute and simple. I made it really simple. I just had one of the half corner suns, the penguin, some icebergs. I shaded, I did the outline in gray and then just with gray. And I think it looks really cute and really simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, read the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Cue the end screen.